Yeah, that's frost. Oh, it's so cold. Let's open the window. Look at that. All the water's gone because we took the boards up there, but oh, no duckies this morning. But it's still beautiful here. It's the sunrise. It's beautiful. Is that not beautiful? Wow. Yeah. They just took the dam down. I'm back at Davio Park. And it's Tuesday, October the 11th, 2022. And the leaves are changing colors. It's such a beautiful thing. All the water is dried up because of the dam being taken down, but there's my girl. But look at the trees. Right? This is why fall is my favorite season. Because of the leaves, changing leaves. So beautiful. But yeah, I better get some work done. Look at this. Yep. The food hoarding hasn't gotten any better, to be honest. I made a video about that, and I was supposed to diminish before I bought any more food, and that didn't happen. So anyways, I've got to organize all this because yeah, it's just one big giant mess. I threw all this stuff in when like I said, when I was thrown off the boathouse property, and I have not even bothered doing anything with it. I just keep on adding to it, actually. So let's get this done. Ugh. Well, as you can see, my goal was to eliminate. I had 2 of these bins filled, plus a little overflow, and I said my goal was to get it down to 1 bin. But as you can see, I have way too much food. Like, really. That's piled even on top of one another there, and look at all this. You know, that would probably fill up another 3 bins actually. So my food hoarding hasn't gotten any better. It looks like it's actually gotten worse. So if I'm standing here, you can get a different perspective on what it looks like now, where I used to have the van parked under the willow tree here, but they trimmed her down here, as you can see, you know. So yeah, they trimmed all of it, so she no longer goes right to the ground like she used to. But anyways, I just can't get over these trees, how beautiful they are. Color. Wow. And the water where I once did my laundry. Yeah, so the van would be right here. Now it's over there because, of course, I want it in the sun, being that it's only 17 degrees, 18, something like that. But yeah, the water's all gone, so, and the willow tree is almost naked. Okay, she's still got a lot of leaves, but look at this, eh? It's just beautiful. And people definitely won't be really coming to hang out now, because they certainly don't come here just for the beauty. They used to come here just because to escape the heat and go swimming, and bring their dogs here and go swimming, and that would be it. But just to come and enjoy this, yeah, they don't care. But yeah, see the difference? The water is all gone. But I got my good old rain boots on, mud boots, gum boots, whatever you want to call them. But I got them on because I'm going to try and walk in the water and try. I said, I don't know if it's too slippery, then I'm not going to. But yeah, look at this. See, they took all the wood beams down. It's just lovely. But let's go over here. I just don't want to slip. Woo! See, like I just did there. Wow. Well, let's go have a look over here. Yeah. So this is where I would be having a shower at one time. You see? There you go. What a different perspective, huh? It's just lovely. Sound of the running water. It's really soothing. And there's the, this is on this side. It's really lovely. I think so. So it's now 10 to 4, and I really have not done anything really except for pull the stuff out of the pink bin there, and it's all out here now. But I didn't even realize I had all of this. Like, look at it all. Like, I didn't even realize. I actually bought another one the other day. It's at the front in the bins, the front. But I bought this because it's a little, you know, it's insulated with this. So, and it has two little separate pouches. So maybe that'll organize it a little bit better back here. But there's still way too much stuff that has to go back in here. I don't know. It's lots. Look at that. Oh, yeah, look, did you see all, like, under here is full of just canned, kombucha over here, like a couple of 4-packs. But yeah, I gotta get to work. Well, I managed to get it, I would say, organized. It's organized, right? But nonetheless, it's still cluttered. Everything is just jammed in here because I got way too much food. There's 4 bins, all the food's hitting in the bins under here underneath all of these treats. Like, I've got 5 bags of these, 2 bags of these. Look at that. It's just way too much food. Like, way too much. And I put all this is full of teas and crackers and pastas, different kinds of like pastas back here. And so it's all light because I have to pick this up and put it on top of this, right on top of here, because this is all like canned goods and just heavier stuff. Even this is completely full inside here. Like, it's just completely full. I've got 2 big jars of my olives stuffed with almonds in there, and I've got my sauerkraut in there. None of it's open, but anyways, I just put it in there. And so this bin is really light. And every time I need to get into my cooler, which is under here right now, it's right there underneath the bed in a little slot. But if I want to get at my cooler, I'm going to have to move the pink bin on top of there. Or I'll probably end up just leaving it on there. I don't know. But I have to get rid of food, right? I donated a couple of cans of tuna to my friend Dean. But I had like, I don't know, 8 cans. I still have 6 cans left. Like, why do I need that much and I still have...
Yep. This is in addition to the 8 cans of cloverleaf white tuna.
Oh, anyways. But here it is. Like I said, it's organized, but definitely not decluttered, right? Oh, somebody help me. So I woke up and I couldn't figure out why this was still burning. It's only a 4-hour tea light. And then I remembered that I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning and put on another one, and I forgot about it. But look at that. What a difference compared to yesterday morning, right? That's AM. But anyways, I didn't make my bed because I'm going to put on my flannels today. Because it's been getting really cold in the middle of the night. But last night it wasn't too bad. It went to 8, but it's been going down to like 1 and... between like 1 and 3 degrees. But look at this. It's 10 degrees already at 8 o'clock in the morning. What a beautiful day. And it's October 12th. I'm just loving this time of the year. Oh, okay, can't go. It looks pretty deep. Yeah, I don't want to chance that because it's kind of like all rocks and it's just lovely. But you can see how deep the water was when they put the dam out. See that? It's probably like 4.5 feet deep, actually. Looks like fun, huh? Well, as they leave, this is a good time to say goodbye. This video is getting too long, and so I'll continue another one. What a good way to end this video. Until next video, guys. Peace, love, and light from my heart to yours. See you next video.